It's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope every one of you are doing great. And if you aren't, and if you're suffering with pain, whether it's physical, whether it's mental, whether it's emotional, I am sending the biggest hug over to you. And I'm asking you, how are you? And yeah, we're going to get into this video, guys. So I wanted to do a very beginner friendly Born Pretty video. I mean, some people may have been seeing snowflakes and getting really anxious and wondering, you know, how they are going to be able to kind of compete with all the snowflakes. And, you know, I'm not going to sit here and say, oh yeah, it's easy to draw, even if I find it easy. So what I thought I would do is we're gonna do this video for those of us who have stickers, and you could do stamping with it. Oh, that's a good idea. Now I do have lots of Christmas stamping, but for what I am doing today, I'm going to use stickers. So I will definitely do another beginner friendly, because, you know, you probably can be, you know, amazing at stamping and you find it so easy. And some of us don't, but anywho. But then when it comes to maybe drawing a real snowflake, so by all means, check out my nail sister Raven's reviews. She has got a few pictorials of her own. Yes. And you know, just see, there's always going to be one for everyone, isn't there? But I know people who are just adamant that they are not going to draw. And honestly, that was me a few years ago. It's that bit of fluff. So we're going to get the black on, and I want black on the base for this set only because I'm going to use a cat eye, which I really want it to be really, really opaque. Now, I have swatched them before, so I can leave a link to the video where I had unboxed and swatched these reflective glass magnetic gels. I'm going to use number 5 from the reflective glass magnetic gel. So that's 57332-5. Again, as I said, I'll leave the link to these gels. So stunning. So that's what I literally want on the nails. Now, I said your favorite cat eye because I think you can do it with your favorite. I looked at all 6 colors and this is the one that was like calling me. So again, I'm just bringing my wand down. So you see what I mean? It has all these different colors, right? It's always weird when you're trying to film as well. So I'm just going to flash that real quick. I am trying to keep it beginner friendly, so I don't want you to have to start looking around now for another polish, so to speak. Again, I'm just going to I think this one is so beautiful. I don't know. It's just screaming Christmas. So again. Oh, this stuff is beautiful. Again, I'm gonna run it up and run it down. And you know, it's optional. Just play with your magnet. You'll definitely see something you like in terms of, you know, just where do I want it? You know, and you can just change the position of it. So I'm gonna do quick 30 seconds in the lamp. So now I'm gonna put some snowflakes. Now really, I wanted some white snowflakes. These are more transparent than white, so it's not gonna do. So I'm gonna use the shiny one. So I think I just want these kind of these snowflakes. So again, I am keeping it beginner friendly. I only wiped the inhibition layer as well, guys. I have not top coated or anything, because you know with stickers it will not stick on a sticky surface. So now I'm going to use this white pat paint gel from Born Pretty with my sponge. And you know, you want to be able to, you know, get hold of it. And I say this, but I'm probably going to still end up probably losing it. So, or if you've got one of those, you know, spongy applicators, then use that. Now I'm just going to, this is what I'm going to do. All right. Now you can have this like literally any way you want it. It really is your choice. I think because this pat paint gel is so super opaque, it makes it perfect for this kind of look. It's effective. Just want to add, you know, just make it snow. Let it snow, right? Okay. Now this pat paint gel does come in different colors as well, but I had to have the white and the black because I just love just how easy this is to use. Especially with the sponge, it's perfect for the sponge. I'm gonna give it another look, be happy with it, and then cure it. So this is gonna be the first full 60-second cure I'm gonna be doing. And that's only because we are going to add some top coat before we do the last bit. So while I was looking for this to sprinkle, I found some of this chrome. Now I actually got this chrome from Born Pretty off their website, and I think this is perfect now for this. It's definitely a pearly white chrome, which is absolutely gorgeous, and that's just going over that pat paint gel. If you see, it does definitely add a bit of Christmas to the nail. So I'm going to do that and just put that all over. I have not top coated yet either. So, you know, this is optional. If you don't have any chrome that kind of looks like this that you might want to use, that's absolutely fine. What you would do is just go ahead and top coat. And I'm going to do that after this. And we're just going to get that all over that beautiful nail. And then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. You really only need 30, you don't even need a whole 60. So beautiful. Half tempted to make it matte. Oh my gosh. We're going to use this 5-in-1 top coat because now I want to add some extra shimmer. It's just totally up to you. So I don't necessarily want it like everywhere. This chrome is actually really beautiful. And I'm just going to do that all over the nails. And the parts that have obviously the top coat, it will adhere to. I'm just going to dust that off so we, you know, we have our beautiful area there. So that, you know, I did use the ombre brush and just bring that in a little bit. Okay, so I did measure to fit, so I am going to put some rhinestones. Again, optional, but beginner friendly. So I'm gonna put some of this rhinestone gel glue. It's from Born Pretty, and it's, you know, it's got that nib for precision. So I just kind of felt that I may need red. I don't know, to tie it all in. That's what I felt. And I'm just gonna put them on the snowflakes. That's too much. Don't want a lot. Just on the center of it. Just like that. Now, if you're worried about your stones moving, you can cure, like, or just do a flash cure after. So guys, here are the nails. They are press-ons, so don't come for me. This just means I can wear them again. Now tell me that's not screaming Christmas. I don't know what it was, but this number 5, oh. And I think the red definitely offsets that red in there. Look at that. So stunning. And there's our thumb. So yeah, I actually enjoyed this. Thank you all so much for watching. I will take some more videos. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you can see the reflective because it's reflective, right? If I just turn down one of the lamps, it's so beautiful. Just turn that on again, and here we are. Beginner friendly Christmas snowflakes